Okay, this is the original model on EV, and then if you want to, do the low poly, right? So there's a way that you can do it with decimate, okay? But when you go on decimate, this one is around how much of it is 2,335 verts without the because it's mirror. So if I apply everything, it's gonna get around 75,000 verts inside here. Suppose if I say shift D, this one, right? Apply everything. Okay, it's gonna give me around 73,000 verts. 73,000 verts. Okay, so this one is without the with the modifier. Okay, what I can do is just I apply the modifier on the mirror modifier. Okay, apply the mirror modifier, and then what's the rest is the camel clock. So I just remove the camel clock. That's it, right? And then when I remove the camel clock, it's gonna go back to its unsubdivided, but it has this jack thing, right? So instead of wasting time, trying to, remesh the whole shit, just shrink wrap and just target to the model. Where is it? There it is. And apply, and also if I hide it, like it's there, it's supposed to be. Hold on. Wait now. There's a bit of slow on the there it is. You can see it. Alright. So apply, and I hide the high poly. This is the without the decimate yet. If you take it, it's around 4,600. Yeah, 4,600 verts. There's a few holes here can be fixed. 4,600 from 75,000. If you do decimate, it's gonna give you around 7,000, maybe 8,000. Yeah, it's double, but you can do double decimate. Double decimate can go onto around 3,000, but this one, you can add one more decimate. It's gonna go lesser than that. While maintaining the model. And then you can use this as the low poly. One easier way. Yeah.